In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename OneDrive folder if you want to keep your files organized and make folders easier to find later. Renaming folders in OneDrive is a simple but very useful skill. This can help you clean up old folder names, make project folders more clear, or update names so they match the contents inside. The process only takes a moment once you know where to click. To begin, open OneDrive and go to the My Files section. This is the main area where your folders and files are stored, so it's where you'll be able to manage the folder you want to change. Once you're there, take a second to locate the folder you'd like to rename before moving on. Next, hover your mouse over the folder. When you do this, look for the three dots which open the folder's More Options menu. These three dots are commonly used in OneDrive for actions like moving, sharing, or renaming items. So if you don't see the rename option right away, this is the place to start. Click the three dots to open that menu. After the menu appears, click on Rename. This will open a small text field or pop-up where you can edit the current folder name. If the existing name is highlighted automatically, that means you can start typing right away. If not, just click into the name field and make your change. Now, rename your folder. Type the new name you want to use and try to make it clear and specific so it's easy to recognize later. For example, you might update a vague name to something more descriptive based on the project, date, or type of files inside. Take a quick moment to check for spelling and make sure the name is exactly how you want it, since this helps avoid confusion later on. Once the new name is ready, click on Update to save the change. As soon as you do that, OneDrive will apply the new folder name and you should see it reflected in your file list right away. And that's it. Your folder has been successfully renamed in OneDrive. This is a quick organization tip that can make a big difference when you're managing a lot of files or collaborating across multiple folders. If you're updating several folders, you can repeat the same process for each one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.